I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Google It. Today I want to share with you how to make an aristocrat breakfast, and it's a quick thing, you know. So let's start here with the 3 medium eggs. Bring your water to boil, then bring it down to simmer, and put the eggs and let it simmer for 12 to 13 minutes. Move it on the side after and let it cool down. And now for the bread, I'm using here an Italian crusty loaf, and we're gonna slice the bread about 1 inch thick, as you can see here. And of course now we're gonna rub the bread, the slices, with the olive oil and herbs. And the herbs I'm using, it's a dry basil, so make sure you brush the bread and cover the whole thing. And ready to go in the grilling pan. Now in the grilling pan, it's about 30 seconds, turn it 45 degrees, another 30 seconds, then flip it, and it'll give you this nice, beautiful golden brown color. And now let's prepare the topping, which is the eggs we boiled. Now let's peel the eggs, and we're gonna chop it. We're gonna chop the eggs. You either chop it on the board, or if you feel comfortable, slice it by hand. Go for it, as long as you keep it nice and chunky. And watch your hand with the knife. Now for the avocado, I'm gonna slice it in half, and I'm using here a large avocado. Twist, and let's take the seed out. And now we're gonna cross slicing the avocado from inside, and be careful, be gentle, don't push hard because you don't want the knife to go through. And now we're gonna slice it in diamond shape again, and that way when we take it out, it's already pre-diced and you don't have to worry about the mess on the board. Now let's flavor our topping. I'm adding here 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, pepper and salt for taste, and I'm using here a small lime, and I'm gonna use some lime zest. It's about 1 teaspoon lime zest. And for the lime, I'm gonna cut it in half and use half of it as a lime juice. It gives nice sharp taste to the eggs and the avocado. Now mixing, be careful, now we're not gonna mash it, we're just gonna mix it together. And now have your toast ready, and let's build up our sandwich. Beautiful. And look at that. And now you can top it with the sesame, and I have here black sesame and toasted sesame together. And for the garnish, whatever garnish you have, you can put it on top. And of course, my favorite things here, it's a maramilla tea. Maramilla tea, I'm putting here 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 envelope of black tea, and 3 fresh sage leaf, and 1 cinnamon stick. Boiling water, and make sure you let it rest for about a minute and a half. Give it nice stir. Look at that beautiful tea. So that will be it for today. Your aristocrat breakfast, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.